In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching both in the background. When you're ready, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the right side of your screen by clicking on it, so it will be over here. Then select Split at the bottom right corner and tap on this second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. If your device is folded though, I just need to fold mine real quick. Open two of your apps in the background too. Then go to background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on the icon of it, select split screen and tap on the second one. Then, to exit this mode, drag one of them all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!